right, and so special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us their PowerCage II. You can see down here it supports these versions of the iPad, Gen 5 through 10, the iPad Air, Gen 3 through 5, the iPad Pro, 9.7 inch, 10.5 inch, and 11 inch, Gens 1 through 4. Here's a little bit of the name, model number, and the dimensions here on the back. And if we were to slide it out of the sleeve, got the same little picture here. Here's everything that it comes with. So this is your battery adapter plate, and then that is your battery adapter. Then you've got a nice included lightning cable here, a nice USB-C cable here, packet of screws, instruction manual on how to mount your iPad, an included little Allen wrench. That's because to take it apart, it has Allen wrenches. So basically you're able to get your iPad in here, adjust it to whatever size you need to fit whichever version iPad you have, and then you can mount this on to many different items. So you could mount it onto a camera, you could mount lights onto it, use it as a screen, has many options. This little part here for the battery pack clips right onto here, or that you have your USB ports and everything like that to plug out to different items. So everything you need in a nice package. Thanks again to this company for sending these to me to unbox and demonstrate for you. Thank you all for watching this unboxing. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.